Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back at one of my favorite places here in Tulsa. Spend lots and lots of hours here at Copart. This is the auto auction facility where you don't have to be a dealer. You can be a member of the public. You can come out here and take a look at the cars. Every facility is a little bit different. Some of them have an escort for you. Some of them you can just kind of wander around on certain days of the week. So if you do decide to become a member, it is not expensive, but you can check with your local yard about their rules. But there is access to come out and check out the cars before you bid on them and before you buy them. That's what I'm doing right now. So let's see what they have for me and for you, and we'll get busy. We're going to get started. First up, check that out. That's a Genesis G70 from 2021. That is a beautiful car. Wow. Okay. This color paint, I have an electric bike that is the exact same color. It's my favorite electric bike. And the paint color is amazing. Whoa. Okay. This is nice. I haven't even looked at the damage or anything. There's your rear bumper, it looks like right there. Here's the damage. Is it bad? No. You need a trunk and a bumper. Everything else looks to be okay. I don't see any bulges right here, like this part of the subframe kind of got pushed up or anything like that. No. Maybe this is circled here, so maybe a little bit, but not much at all. Is this opening? Oh, okay, so you can't open your trunk still. And they have pieces inside for you. Oh, this is it's trying to be an automatic open trunk. Will it close? Yes. So we do have power. Thank you. Thank you for your service. Oh, it's trying again. There you go. Just stay closed, baby. Just stay closed. So that means we get to go inside and take a look. What? Excuse me, what? Red diamond stitching? Whoa. This is my bike color. It really is. I have a Van Powers electric bike, and I usually end up selling them after my reviews. That one I am keeping. Oh, she sounds nice. Okay, 2021. Here's an oil change sticker, 9/1 of 23. It's due at 49,000 miles, 5W30 weight. So she's got 50,986 miles right there. Let's get this air conditioning all the way down. Yeah, give me some AC. Where's the cold? Cold. Oh, this is really nice. I love the seats. I really do. What kind of a lexicon? Is that what it is for the radio? Speakers? Man, this door opens up wide. Yeah, look at that. Okay, let's see what it sounds like. Sounds of nature. Sounds of nature. This is what I need. Let's close this and enjoy the rainy day. I'm getting cooler already. I'm imagining that these drops right here, these drops of sweat, it's not sweat, it's a lovely rainstorm. There it is. Yeah, so much cooler. The air conditioner is taking a long time to cool down though. That's really surprising. That's a cool feature. Okay, I wonder what other sounds you can get. Rainy day, open air cafe, a warm fireplace. What does that sound like? Yep, sounds like a fireplace. What else have you got? A snowy village. Somebody's walking in the snow. A lively forest. Oh, there we go. Oh, I could sleep to that. Yeah, when I lived in Naples, I would go to the beach 3 or 4 times a week and fall asleep in the sun. Now I'm paying the price for it. That's nice. Okay, well, we got to get back to work, and a rainy day. Woo! Thank you, Sounds of Nature. Very nice. Love, 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 love. All of this is nice. And the seat is super comfortable. You got your bumper in the back seat. You got a very nice padded roof right here. This is your sunroof. Oh, Genesis, good job with this car. This is pretty amazing. You got your Distronic right here. You have heads-up display. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a little 0 right there. Let's take a look at the engine. This color. I need this car, and then I need to put a bike rack on the bike of it so I can take my bike. As you can see, some rock chips right there. And voila, the turbo GDI. Gas direct ignition. Turbo pipe. This runs good. Holy moly. Okay, I'm loving this. I really, really, really am loving this. What do you think about this car? Have a couple of issues right here on the door though. Nothing major. I never get in on this side. Why is this a whole different color? This has been replaced. This is not even close to that right there. No biggie. No biggie. All right, what a good find. Let me know what you think about this. Genesis G70. Oh, Prestige edition, I'm guessing. All right, we're gonna move on. Well, this could be a special car depending on what's inside of it, okay? It doesn't look like much on the outside. I mean, they have, you know, they put on a new grille, they've changed the headlights a little bit, tried to make it look a little more modern. I like the color, I really do. That is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rust color. This is a 2001 Mercedes SLK 320, doing, or it's a SLK 20, that's okay. Someone was kind enough to plaza, and they've used a key or some kind of a Dremel tool, and that is etched right into the paint right there. So thank you for that. Some damage on the back bumper, light scratches on the trunk. Tires look to be okay. There's a little bit of tread left on them. They are not matching tires. But let me show you what's on the inside of this car that makes it different. And I have not seen an SLK like this. I do like the interiors until they get all gummy. There you go. That's it right there. Well, someone has done some painting. That's different, okay? I like, when these were new, the insides were so nice. Good leather. They were really sporty. Two-tone seats a lot of them had. And a nice looking dash. But then they kind of get gummy, okay? Like this part right here will get real gummy, and so you have to like repaint it. This one has been replaced, it looks like. It's still kind of cracked. But this is what makes it different. It's a 6-speed. I have not seen this in an SLK. This has been painted too. See? And this is still loose. You need a screw right there to hold that in. So this apparently got gummy, and then they covered it up with some black paint, and they're giving you a sandbag. I don't know why, but they are giving you a sandbag, and this always happens. The glue comes off of the top right there. I think we do have power. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen. Let's put the clutch in and see what she's going to do for us. Is she live? Is she going to start? 3, 2, 1. No. Well, let's see if we can give her a little extra help, okay? These cars, someone's been in here too. So, I mean, I've had one of these and it's fun. I have the newer body. Yeah, I have that 05 SLK that has a an engine issue that I'm still working on. I need to get that back on the channel. I need to put a radiator in it, and then we can take her for a drive. But I love the outside color of this car. It is very, very nice. And there you go. They use that engine forever and ever and ever. Oh, someone's been in here. Okay. I guess those are fine. Let's close that back up. And what's going on here? This is different. This is really different. Okay, here's our issue. They threw a battery on here that is not made for the car. This is supposed to have top posts, and it does not. This is a side post battery. It's the incorrect battery, and that's why there could be something very serious with this car. Wow. Okay, good find, Mike. Well, that's a big deal. 11 of 17. So it's a 5-year-old battery, almost 5 years old. But they even painted no, it's supposed to be red. Oh, there is oil. There's a lot of it. Looks kind of dirty. What's here? There was some pressure in the cooling system. There is some blue coolant. Okay, good. But we can't. The battery is wrong, and I can't overcome that obstacle right there. So we're just going to have to move on. Doggone it. Well, I thought it was going to be a fun little car being a stick shift, but it's not. So, on forward we move. We're going to be very bougie for just a minute. This is a 2016 Land Rover Range Rover that I love these in white. I really, really do. That's the color for the Range Rover. Even the newer ones like this. I love it. Nice big wheels, Bridgestone tires, and she looks great, okay? She really does look nice. And wait till you see the inside, because that is what Land Rover does best. Here you go. There's your backside. Look at that. Beautiful. I love the taillights. The issue we have with this car, supercharged, by the way, is that a tire and a wheel is trying to get away. It's trying to escape the vehicle. We have an issue with the suspension, but let's see if I can get down here just to kind of see what's going on. Now, can you see anything? Yeah, there's a broken control arm, I think, right there. If you look way up in there, there are some broken major pieces. So when you pick this car up, that wheel is going to do all kinds of crazy things. It's just sitting on the body itself, I think. I really do. And as you can see here, the air is holding. But the car is literally sitting on the tire right here. I don't think this is attached very much at all. But let's look at the good stuff. This is what we came for. This is the place to be. And I'm trying not to get these cars dirty. Once again, it did rain yesterday and last night. I'm giving everything time. Low battery. Please start the engine. Okay. Oh! Okay, we'll turn that off very quickly. Yeah, that was loud. That was loud. Service is required on your... And there you go. Suspension fault. No duh. Ignition is on. No duh. What else have we got? Adaptive dynamics fault. But this, excuse me, is nice. I wish the air would come on. Here we go. Come on. And I love how they kind of kept this effect. I think it was in 2003 they changed up the interior. Well, they had a whole nother model design, and part of the dash went this way, and then wood pieces came out from behind it. They kind of kept it with this, but they made it more modern. Look at all your buttons here for your transmission. All kinds of things going on right there. Oh, this is nice. There we go. Nice little cup holders. This is beautiful wood. What is that, Zebrano wood or something? That is really gorgeous. Okay, come on, air conditioning. Suspension in extended mode. Reselect suspension height if clear of obstacle. So, yeah, that's the issue that we're having. Look how big that sunroof is. That's fantastic. That really, really is. Here's the shade. Let's see if we can close the shade. Yeah, we'll do this interior a nice little service and save it from the damaging heat rays. There you go. Big difference. Big difference. Woo! This is a nice vehicle. Look at all the room in the back. Yeah, okay. Let's take a look at the engine. We'll open. Was that me? Somebody just honked. There you go. Supercharged. This looks like it's in really good condition too. What the heck did this person drive over that like broke everything on his left rear tire and wheel and all of that? That's a mess. This is a gigantic rear door. And look at all the room you get back here. Oh my. Yeah, this is beautiful. Check this out. Your own little area. Let's climb in here and just kind of enjoy this very quickly. Oh, look at all of these controls. This is nice. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is the place to be. Would you rather drive this or be driven in this? That's a tough question. That is a really, really tough question. Do you have shades? You do. How nice. That's nice. Okay. This is a really great place to be. Yeah, we were very, very bougie for this entire video, from the Genesis to the Land Rover, Range Rover, supercharged. Beautiful cars. So nice. And I love it back here. I really, really do. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every view. I appreciate each and every comment. And we're going to have more videos as we continue to bring other cars back to life. And don't forget, I've had people still ask me about the Disco Inferno. I still got her. She made me so mad that I just didn't touch her for a while. I just had to kind of stay hands off. And then I tried a product on her, and we'll show you one of the biggest product fails that I've ever had. It was a joke. This product that I got was a complete joke. So we'll have that video coming up hopefully very, very soon. All right, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And we'll see you again in another video. All right, folks, have a great day. We'll see you.